going, guys? Chris here with Northern Garden Supply. Today I got a short video of a younger version of myself installing some plastic on this greenhouse. This is going to be the same steps that we're going to take for a 10 by 8 all the way up to a 30 by 150. So pretty tried and true. These are the ways that I do it. There's a lot of other ways to do it, but this is what we found. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get to it. Hopefully we can do it before sun goes down, because I'm ready to have another greenhouse. So on smaller greenhouses, I just pull it right on over the top, but if you got some larger houses, you can take a rope, a rock, or a tennis ball and tie it around, throw it over in multiple points and pull it over. But anything for 10, 20s even, I just pull it over the top. Next, we're going to put some wiggle wire in. First, go from the base here. Going to go all the way over, down to the base on this side. Go to the opposing end, pull tight on that plastic, and then put wire over that hoop. We're not going to deal with the base yet, or along the length of the greenhouse. After that, you make sure everything's nice and tight, and then you put that in. You shouldn't have to put any tension on your plastic
when you get this step of going the length of your greenhouse.
Alright, now we're going to see where we got some tension. We're going to take it against this, and you'll see if you need to go up or down. See, at this point, you see the wrinkles going down, pull down. If they're going up, you pull up. gonna pull at an angle down and away.
Get this nice and tight.
So at this point, every greenhouse I've ever done, that first point from here up to about the middle of the greenhouse, it's always a little bit sagged out. So I'm gonna take my wire out from the top all the way down, pull down towards this direction, and retension it should be about good. So we got 2 more steps. We're gonna wire in right here, light tension down on it. Same with the other side, and then we're gonna trim the excess. I go about 3 inches or so off from the end. Alright, we got a blade here, and we're going to cut the excess. I usually go about 3 inches off. About the width of my fist, because you could always cut more, you can never cut less.